to me. Hi guys, we're here at Panabo branch and today is the opening. Na-late me guys. Lagi. May pa cake sila. Picture ako, baby, man akong background. Di lagi ka mo ay.
Hi, happy birthday. Hi, happy birthday.
Alam bro, ikuha ni Lord. Laga po kung buhok rin.
Yung dawan.
Hi guys! 26! Tara.
Say hi, tita.
Hi!
And vlogging.
Okay, so, eto na. Nandito na tayo sa eating station. Should I get to? And then I'll just get... Yes po. Lai, ano sa ish? Nagingani ko kay na i-vlog. Pakitang tao. Thank you. This is mine.
Hi. Ang aking chaperon. Yan, pagsilbihan mo ko. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys, let's eat. Di ba sobrang dilim? Dahil wala tayong ilaw. Ibabalik na natin kay Boss Bibi ang kanyang camera kasi hinahanap niya na turn over. Boss.
Wala siya balloon, bye! 2, 3,
Go.
sing!
Happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday, tita.
Mga audience. Dili pala. Okay, nabidyohan ta ka, sir.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Okay, may I take your order?
Can I get a caramel macchiato sub to oat? And then, for pastry is, isang cinnamon roll na... Palit ko gano'n, chicken and white sauce.
Uy! Would that be all, sir?
Yes, cannot.
Bali, isa ka caramel macchiato ice, sub to oat, and then chicken and white sauce,
Yes,
tapos
po.
cinnamon.
Ay,
Dili ka.
mahal.
Pag-order, sir.
Ano sa may... Sige, ito
Dali,
mo,
dali.
ito mo, natalaan mo.
Nutella almond.
Nutella ka, ma'am. Pila ka na?
Okay. 800, sir.
800 lang, bro.
Yes.
800 daw, pero ito
800.
Face card lang.
Ay, face card. Declare, ma'am. Pwede ko ni mo videohan, ma'am.
Oh, I have permission from your manager.
Okay, I am the
Can I have some white mocha latte and...
No, you can. Sorry.
Boss,
Yes?
ang manager.
Wait lang. Ang nanawag kang manager.
Hi, vlog! Passion yan.
Behind the scene. Kagwapa sa birthday girl. Hi guys. I'm with my ate. Bahan ako. Ang barista for you.
Kape.
Ate.
Hi, I'm making coffee.
Walang may pakit. Bye guys.
Nindot no, ano, fancy kayo ba?
Bitaw. No, guwapo. Makagwapo po siya.
Yeah. So, for today's video guys, gagawa tayo na
Guess what?
Guess what? We are here at Panabo with our little manager. Huh?
Little.
Kablihan daw? Kablihan?
Hi guys. Hi. Pag-hi dyan.
Unboxing some cakes. Wow, congratulations! Wow, pretty!